How to improve signal service on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you improve your signal service on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you can try to turn on airplane mode on or off, simply open settings. From settings, tap and toggle it on for airplane mode for the 5 to 10 seconds and turn it off again. After that, this will refresh your network connection instantly. Step 2. You can enable Wi-Fi calling if it is available. Simply from the settings section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on apps. From apps, find out the application phone. After that, tap on that. Now from there, simply you'll have to scroll down and look for the option Wi-Fi calling. If you find it, simply you'll have to turn on the Wi-Fi calling and add your phone number there. At last, you can reset your network settings. For that, from the settings section again, you'll have to tap on General. From General, you'll have to scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, tap on Reset. Now from here, tap on Reset Network Settings. From here, confirm with your iPhone passcode. Now from here, simply tap on Reset Network Settings. After you reset network settings on your iPhone, this will also boost your signal quality or signal strength on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.